Yeah, go.
Oh, shit. Fuck. But it's a bullet.
Ah! I had some great fucking company here today, haven't I?
Nuka, rhymes
Hopefully it's
with
one of them tiny
cocksmoker.
little staples.
I reckon you could almost be my fucking sister.
It's a staple.
It's not a fucking staple. It's a fucking nuggy, mate.
Tiny little piece of fucking iron. You gotta get yourself a proper kid, man.
I've got one. Don't be a smart ass. When you're as old as me.
One you can sit on.
Oh, getting dirty now. I hope that's not good.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be finding gold in my camp spot.
Polly, Polly, pissy pants.
Please. Nuggy. Nuggy, please.
That deep, it's Nugget.
Oh, the suspense is killing me.
Oh Lord, please be a bullet. Amen.
It's not a big one.
There you go.
It's a Kinder Surprise. Where are we going to be? Cocksucker.
Tiny bit of tin.
Probably.
No, it's gold.
I think I can see
There
it up
it is.
top there. It's in your hand. No?
I feel it.
Yep, there it is. Yeah, you.
Woo!
Bitch.
So you can all take the fucking shit out of me. I got one!
Yeah, you. I'm clicking the
Off button now.
off button.